Do you actively market GreenNewt online, and what is your overall marketing strategy? We have one of the best marketing directors in the entire world. Her name is Sarah Fry, and she is awesome's not a good enough word. We do actively market GreenNewt, and again, everything I usually say, and this might not be as popular as new as a lot of other entrepreneurs, but for me, it always comes back to delivering value. If you're delivering value, whether it's through content or whether it's through initiatives, that will build traction. So when we market online, we market what we're doing. We market what our social initiatives are accomplishing. The reason why we do that is because the last thing any of us wanted to do was just talk to talk. I think there's enough companies that do that. I mean, in my opinion, kind of consider it noise, but for that strategy, and I'm not the expert on online marketing, but I do feel very competent in the ability to decide, is there value being transferred? If there is, you're good. You just got to maybe refine how you do it, or develop your channels a bit more. But if you are not delivering value, I wouldn't even waste your time doing it, because people will know. Put yourself in your customer's shoes and be very raw. I mean, be a picky customer. Be a picky website viewer. For us, our director of marketing does a very good job putting up with me. And for me, my question is, what does it feel like for a user of our website? Whether they're in a mobile environment, whether they're at a desktop, a laptop, a tablet, what does it feel like? Because at the end of the day, that's all that matters for your customer. For you, there's a lot more you have to think about. But that intuitiveness, that user ability, that's going to be crucial. So when, to the question of marketing online, the market strategy first is to make it simple to digest. Then the question of what is the content, who are we targeting? That comes down the line. But the offering of value is universal.